Okay, so we are going to make jalapeno poppers baked. Basically, I half these jalapenos and stuff them with the cream cheese and sausage cheese mixture, and then we wrap them in bacon and bake them off. They're really, really yummy. So we're going to show you how to do that today. I'm going to show you how to do that today, and my son's going to help us. Any kind of pork sausage. This is just a country sausage from our local store, grocery store. We're going to brown it off first. We are going to use the Instapot today to saute. It's a feature that's on the Instapot that I use a lot, actually. It's not just for pressure cooking. Often I'll saute things in this that I am then going to pressure cook, but today we're just going to use it while we make the jalapeno poppers. But basically, you just turn it on, hit the saute button, and within just a minute or two, it's ready to go. All right, so I'm going to put my sausage in, and we're going to saute that. So we're going to half all of these, and then we are going to pull out all the seeds. Probably a good idea to use gloves to do this, otherwise it takes forever to get the jalapeno burn off of your hands. Okay, as you can see, I have run out of bacon, so we have a new plan because also I had a lot left over of this stuffing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these last 4, so that would be 2 whole jalapenos and this, and we are going to make a jalapeno chicken casserole. So we'll film that also, and that'll be one of our dinners later this week because we have extra. All right, and this is going to go in the oven. All right, here's our finished product. These are jalapeno poppers, bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. These were super, super simple to make. They are delicious and definitely could make a lot more at one time if you wanted to. They're quite easy and delicious. Now we're going to finish making the chicken jalapeno popper. That's not what I wanted to say either.
Chicken jalapeno.
We are going to make
chicken peppers.
We are going to make stuffed jalapeno popper chicken. We had extra stuffing from making our jalapeno poppers. So what we're going to do is bake off a little bit of bacon, because you need some bacon flavor in jalapeno poppers, and stir it into our mixture that we've already made. And then we're going to stuff the chicken, we're going to sear it off, and then we'll finish it in the oven. All right, so let's get going. One of my favorite types of bacon to use is this uncured ends and pieces from Trader Joe's. It's super, super cheap. It's like $4, and it's just literally the ends and pieces. So for something like this, it's perfect. We're just gonna do parts of it, get it into the pan here, and brown it up, chop it up fine, and it'll be ready to add to our dip. So while the bacon is rendering, we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken ready. I've already kind of trimmed off the edges for the most part, but I like to just kind of trim off the yucky fat around the edges. I've already done that. And now what we're going to do is get to the thick side of the chicken, and then we're going to make a slit towards the back, but not all the way through. So it's going to look like this. So this is what it looks like when it's about rendered down. We'll pull out of here and chop it up. And then I'm just going to give this a stir and get it all incorporated. And then we'll be ready to stuff the chicken. everything is stuffed and have finished putting the toothpicks in, and before we saute it, we're gonna salt and pepper the outside of the chicken. We're gonna lightly salt because the bacon grease is salty. So just a little bit of salt on the outside and then pepper. That's good. Get to this side. Just a little bit of salt. Good. All right, now let's do the same thing with the pepper.
More pepper or less pepper?
Just a little bit, because y'all don't love a lot of pepper.
I don't know.
If it was just me, I would salt and pepper the heck out of it. All right. Now do it on this side, Caroline, and then we'll be ready to put it. I forgot to say, y'all, but I did preheat the oven to 350. We're just going to sear it on both sides, and then I'm going to finish it in the oven. All right, that's great. All right. Now we're going to put this in the Instapot. That down in the bacon grease, and we're gonna let it sear on one side, then sear on the other. All right, so this is what it looks like, all nice and browned and pretty. We are gonna put it into the oven now, and we'll get back to you. Through the magic of television, here is the finished product. I'm gonna check one just to make sure. Here we go. That looks good. So we are going to set this off onto a platter, let it cool a little bit while we get our sides ready. And actually, truthfully, y'all, I don't really have any sides going on tonight. This was not a meal that we had planned, but when we had the leftover stuffing, we decided we would go ahead and make this. So everybody's gonna kind of have a hodgepodge, whatever side they feel like tonight. Caroline made some lima beans, which are her absolute favorite vegetable. So she made some seasoned lima beans with a little bit of the bacon grease. And also, some of us this is one of my absolute favorite things. I know I've showed this to y'all before, but the Trader Joe's mashed cauliflower. The trick is, y'all, you put it in the microwave for the amount of time it says, but then you put it in the blender and add a little bit of heavy cream and cheese, and it is amazing. So you could put it with this and serve it over it, although white on white might not be super pretty. And then this is what my vote was for us to have with it tonight. And truthfully, if I was planning on it, this is probably what I would serve with it, just because they're yummy and they're so pretty. Again, from Trader Joe's. It's organic rainbow cauliflower. I don't know where you get cauliflower that looks like these pretty colors, but I roast it in the oven. I would have just roasted on a separate pan at the same time as I baked this chicken, probably. Not in the same oven, but I have double ovens, but you can roast this at a different temperature. But so that's an option. Sometimes I make rice for the kids if they're not doing cauliflower, but obviously that wouldn't be keto. But they usually do pretty well with the cauliflower. Another option is to serve it with a side salad. It's always good with a side salad. All right, so the verdict?
It's good.
Thumbs up.
I haven't eaten any.
It's very good.
Let Caroline taste it. Caroline's having her lima bean side. Jack said that his jalapenos and onions were enough of a vegetable side for him, so I guess he's just going hardcore on the protein. Keto food night.
Peace and love, y'all.
Caroline?
I'm good.
Thumbs up? Good. All right.